Hello, my name is Héctor Ramírez. I am 50 years old. My nationality is Colombia. I was born in Sevilla Valle. I am married with Adriana and have two beautiful daughters named Ana Sofia and Maria Clara. I study business administration. I work in EPS Sanitas as an integral advisor. I like reading and play soccer. I don't like intolerance and unpunctuality. In October of last year, on my vacation, we went to the coffee region in the city of Armenia, located in Quindío. We visited the surrounding Circassia, Finlandia, and Quimbaya, where we found the coffee park, Panaca, and the park on the Muleries. I will have been finishing my career in traveling with my family in vacation to Miami.